did you do?
Good news. I found out what part was making that noise.
You have to put this back together.
Now we're going to the bad news.
What made you think you could fix this?
I'm smart. And I had a book.
Do you still think you're smart?
Yes.
I told him not to do it. He wouldn't listen.
$200?
It'll be okay. We'll find the money.
Wait, the old fridge in the garage. What's it? What was that? What's that?
Well, I kind of donated that fridge to the church. You know, for the needy.
Are you kidding me?
I see tense moments like this more than you think.